Welcome back to Dream Cars. The all-electric Mercedes GLE-Class will make its manufacturing year, and plenty of other fascinating models will follow. What you need to know about the top new Mercedes-Benz models arriving in 2025. After several years of promise, the all-electric GLE from Mercedes is now here. Its classic boxy shape is there, but there are some major underpinning modifications. Discover all the details on the GLE-Class EV. A 116 kilowatt-hour battery is built into the ladder frame chassis, allowing the G580 EV to reach a maximum range of 296 miles. An additional layer of protection from sharp pebbles encountered on off-road adventures is a 4mm thick steel shell that encases the package. Another distinctive feature of the electric G-Class is the G-turn function, which allows the vehicle to pivot in order to navigate through narrow places more easily. This isn't something a gas-powered vehicle can perform, but it does operate off-road. When it comes to mid-size luxury SUVs, our current favorite is the Mercedes-Benz GLE. Updates for 2024 include a new plug-in hybrid option, revised inside materials, a modernized infotainment system, and new exterior style cues. The present GLE debuted in 2020. That being said, we aren't anticipating a plethora of changes in 2025, while we are open to the possibility of minor adjustments to plans and possibilities. Standout features: Edmunds interior and technology. If there's one thing the GLE excels at, it's crafting the interior of a premium SUV. The interior is roomy and well-appointed with premium materials. The MBUX infotainment system's central touchscreen is intuitive and aesthetically beautiful, with vivid colors and sharp icons. An equally user-friendly touchpad controller is available for those who prefer not to use a touchscreen. Potential rivals to think about: mid-size luxury SUVs like the GLE face competition from vehicles like the Audi Q7, BMW X5, Genesis GV80, Lexus RX, Porsche Cayenne, and Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Variants of SUVs with coupe-like body styles are also included in this class. Examples are the Audi Q8, Porsche Cayenne Coupe, and the GLE Coupe, which has a roofline version. Thanks for watching.